Today I will demonstrate how to replace this broken Mercedes E-Class compartment handle. See, this part is very easy to broken because the material is so thin. I think it's some quality problem here. So we already removed this guy from the boots. So this guy is already detached. We put it there. Now we need to demonstrate how to replace this part with this upgraded version aluminum alloy handles. Now we just open this. Okay. Now we open the package, see what's inside. So Leo Motion is the product trademark. So we remove this foam, and we can see this is the handle, and this two guys is the hinge, aluminum hinge, and here's some portable tools. Now let's give a focus look. So this two hinge go to here, go to the end of this handle, and we need to see, you can see it here. They are not identical, they are symmetric. So we need to double check which one go to left and which one go to the right. So now let's see, because there's the step here, there's also step here. Let's see, for example, this step can match and stop it to rotate, but this one will not match here. Okay, so this one is the left one, that one is the right one. So now let's install the hinge. We need to use this hexagonal screwdriver to install this. Put the screw on and put this on, and just okay. See, can remove, and we use the longer side to make it tight. Okay, now it's very firm, connected. Now we don't install this immediately, because if we install this to here, it will be difficult to match with there. And now we need to start to remove this guy. So this is original position. Flip it over here, then squeeze it out. Okay, squeeze it, then it go out. And now we put, actually this side, we put this rod into this hole here. You can't do it like this way, you need to do it like this way. So see, here it's perfect matched. And now we start to install that second one. So we put this screw, hexagonal screw in first, and we put this on and match it. Okay, rotate it stably. Okay. Remember to use this longer side to tighten it firmly. Okay, now we can see it will not detached. It's very firm, connected. And now it's time to install this up cover. Actually, we need to install this inside of the car.